In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card fees in QuickBooks Online. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of creating and managing credit card fee entries in your QuickBooks system, ensuring you remain transparent and efficient in your accounting. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to access your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on the option labeled Sales. This will bring you to an overview of your sales activities. Next, select Products and Services from the options available. This section holds all the products, services, and other line items your business might offer. Once you're on the Products and Services page, you'll want to create a new item. Look for the Create Items button and give it a click. Here you'll be prompted to choose the type of item you want to add. Select Service as the item type. If you aren't familiar, a service item in QuickBooks is essentially a non-tangible product that you charge your clients for. It makes it easy to handle things like fees, labor, and consultations. After selecting Service, you'll need to name the item. A straightforward label like credit card fee or credit card surcharge should do the trick. This name will appear on your invoices, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Next, you'll assign this service item to an appropriate income account within QuickBooks. If you haven't already, consider creating a dedicated income account specifically named credit card fees to make it easy to track these fees separately from other income streams. You can also set a default rate or percentage for this fee, say for instance 3% of the transaction total. However, it's important to keep in mind that each time you issue an invoice with a credit card fee, you'll need to manually calculate and enter the exact fee for each transaction. This step might sound tedious, but it provides flexibility and accuracy. Now let's talk about adding the fee to an actual invoice. Hover over the plus icon on the left side of your QuickBooks interface and click on Invoice to start creating a new one. Once in the invoice creation screen, you add your products or services as usual. When it's time to include the credit card fee, add the credit card fee service item as a separate line on your invoice. Enter the calculated fee amount based on the total of that particular invoice. This ensures transparency, allowing both you and your customer to clearly see and understand any additional charges. Remember, before implementing credit card fees on your invoices, it is crucial to check local laws and the rules of your payment processor to ensure that surcharging is permitted within your jurisdiction. As an alternative, you might consider using a third-party app that integrates with QuickBooks Online to automate surcharge calculations. Or some payment processors even offer advanced features to include surcharges directly at the point of payment. And that's a wrap on setting up credit card fees in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you're equipped to handle these fees manually while maintaining accuracy and transparency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your QuickBooks setup and keeping your accounting organized.